Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free bongacams tokens in 2025. So just go over to zestcoupons.com, and as you can see, it says bongacams free tokens. So go ahead and press get code and then press show coupon code, and we're just going to wait for it to load. So once it loads up, guys, just go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to bring you over here. And basically you have to enter some answers. And then after this, you have to enter your email address because obviously they're sending your code to your email. So let me just put in my email. Press continue, and you can see it's going to load right here. And it says email confirmed. Time to get excited. So the next step is deals and some other stuff. So as you can see, it says we're generating your reward. So now it makes you register, guys. So make sure you register, and then you will get your bongacams free tokens. So it's very easy. You just got to put in like your street and address, and then do like a little survey. But hope you guys enjoyed. This actually works, but don't use VPNs on that site because you will get banned. Some people use VPNs. And there's like some deals you have to complete. I could try to show you. I don't know if I have anything left. I guess not. Just going through all my tabs here, you can see. But anyway, guys, be sure to try it out for yourself. Oh my gosh, bro. This is super easy. So here's the deal thing. So that's what it says, tap the deal. So make sure you do that. So you can see it says time to get excited. We're generating your reward, and yeah, it's probably going to start the registering again, but I'll see you guys in another video. So yeah, be sure to subscribe. So yeah, you just got to fill out all your info, guys, and you're going to be good to go. So it's super easy. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So be sure to try it out if you guys want to get free bongacams tokens. You just fill this out, and then it loads, and it says like do you have an attorney, and some stupid survey. So just go ahead and do the survey, guys, and then once it's done, press I agree and continue, and then it's going to bring you to the deals. So I'll just show you guys the deals real quick because it's pretty easy. So here it is. So as you can see, it says survey done, optional offers finished, and now it brings us to the deals, bro. So all you have to do on this page is download some apps. So as you can see, just one of them, $0. You can see it says complete one deal. So when you press it, it literally tells you how to do it. So I'm going to see you later, and peace out.